Hi guys, have you heard about the webinar that I'm doing in 2 weeks' time? Yes, I am finally decided to do a webinar to support as many of you as I can. But at the moment, I'm in South Africa buying some gold for Ghana and Nigeria. But I'm coming back next week, and the following week, I'm going to see you all in the How to Start a Gold Farm Successfully webinar. If you haven't registered, please contact us. Go into the bio, our number is there. Get it, ask the team how to join the webinar, and join, because I'll be very excited to share all the knowledge that I have accrued over the years on goat farming and livestock farming with you guys.